camp in my sleeping bag, I'm not gonna move. Got some words on cardboard, got your picture in my head, saying, if you see this girl, can you tell her where I am? Some try to
me disparan cando se aburren moito.
Arkansas.
Arkansas.
Estados Unidos de Norteamérica.
It's close to midnight. The neighbors are knocking on the door. Under the moonlight, it's here that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but there are things to stop before you make it. You start to breathe, and love knocks you right between your eyes. Your very life.
Na sesión Bermú metímonos nun tordo, como este. Comimos pulpo, empanada, tomamos viño, cerveza e, por suposto, Bermú.
Na 80 convidáronnos á casa duns paisanos e comemos xamón, queixo, callos, sopa, rodaballo, rapa en salsa, cabrito, cordeiro, brazo de gitana, fresas con nata, café, chupito de herbas, chupito de caña tostada e chupito de licor, café durante 7 horas.
E pola noite fomos a verbena, onde tomamos 4 ou 5 cuba libres e bailamos.
Mayonesa, bomba, el venao, la barbacoa.
E ao final, a muiñeira de chantada, todos agarrados polas mans.
O das mans foi cousa túa.
Non, era unha costume popular, e nós debemos respeitar as costumes populares.
Going back to the corner where I first saw you. Gonna camp in my sleeping bag, I'm not gonna move. Got some words on cardboard, got your picture in my head, saying, if you see this girl, can you tell her where I am? Some try to hand me money, but they don't understand. I'm not broke, I'm just a broken-hearted man. I know it makes no sense, but what else can I do? And how can I move on when I'm still in love with you? Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me,